I'm going to teach you how you can actually catch a thief at a spot. How you can actually catch a thief at a spot. See, our forefathers were not learned, right? They possessed what you call ancient wisdom. Somebody shout power. Somebody shout power. Now, this is it. If anybody have stolen something from you, I want to know who did that thing instantly. Now, this is what you are going to do. This is what you are going to do. Get a black chicken. You heard me right. Get a black chicken. After you have gotten a black chicken, then get something like oil, like this, any type of black oil, or even if it is this engine oil you can get. Get black oil. This one is for spiritualists. This one will favor you more. Get black oil. The chicken and the black oil. That's all you need. Now, after I've gotten the chicken and black oil, let everybody that is there when this thing happened gather. Or if they're suspecting anybody in the compound, let everybody in that compound to come out. Get a room in that place you want to do it. There must be a room. Get a room. That black chicken, enter the room alone. Enter the room alone. Then that black chicken, you rub the oil on it. After you have rubbed the oil on that black chicken, then you leave the chicken inside. Then you will now come outside. Then all the suspects, you will tell them the room should be 100% dark. So best time you can do this is now. You now tell all the suspects that they should go inside that room. They should go inside that room and touch the chicken. They should go inside the room. You will tell them the particular spot, describe the particular spot where you keep the chicken. Or you can put a table in the middle of the parlor. They say the chicken is on top of the middle of the chicken in the parlor. Nobody is going inside with torchlight. They should go and touch the chicken and come outside. All of them will be going one by one. Anybody that touch the chicken, once the person is coming outside, the person should put hand in his trouser or hide his hand inside the shirt so that nobody will. So as I've said, they have to be going inside the room one by one. You go and touch the chicken, hide your hand, come outside. That's how all of them will do it. After all of them have go inside and touch the chicken, remember, they are going to tell them, you warn them before they will go inside that place. You will tell them, if you know you are the one that stole that chicken, so if you know you are the one that stole this item, talk now, because if you should go inside, touch that chicken and come outside, within 3 minutes you are going to run mad, except you did not turn that chicken. Saudi, that one is very important. Yes, Saudi, the one is very important. You have to tell them, once you touch this chicken and you're not innocent, you run mad though. If you know you're not innocent, don't go inside that room and touch that chicken, because you do, you run mad. So you play with their psychology like that. The worst, they will definitely go inside one by one. Anybody that is hard is clean. That is the person that stole that item. The psychology there is that if the person that stole it will be scared of touching it. The people that is innocent will not be scared, they will go and touch it. But the person that stole the item will be scared of touching it. So he will just go inside and did as if he touch it and come outside. Because you don't want to touch it, because you have already sold it that if you touch it, you are going to run mad. So the only way to be safe is not to touch it. So this is the psychology behind this. It's not this thing. Our forefathers were not learned, but they have what you call a shared wisdom. Somebody shout wisdom. Drop your thoughts in the comment section on this one. See you guys in the next video. The CR care.